So I'm looking at this switch here, this mechanism. So just looking over the sensor, this mechanism. I'm tempted to click it open and see what's inside. There's one clip left. Come on, here we go. So I was able to keep it intact anyway. So there's a hopefully you can see that how this reminds me of like a Bic pen or one of those pens that clicks. You click it once, it goes in. Click it again, comes out. So it's just a pulse thing, I guess. That's cool. So it doesn't require the coil to be energized the whole time. It's just one click lock, one click unlock. And it looks like when it's clicked in, it's lifting this contact, and I see the contact ball right there. And let's see which, looks like it goes to this pin here, I think that's it's numbered pin 1, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, so this is the way that goes on, is pin 1, pin 2, and pin 3. And so these two, this is the switch contact here. And this one and this one are the coil. This, you can see this part also goes over and touches on this coil contactor. And the other wire here, let's see where the other end of the coil goes to. The other end of the coil looks to me like it terminates right here on the 3, pin 3. So I should be able to read a resistance between these two. Okay, it's all snapped back. Now let's see if I can, I'm going to test it again. I'm going to put my probe on pin 1 and 2 and make sure that switch is engaging and letting go. So there's my I'm on pin 1 and 2, and right now it's unlatched, so I'm going to latch it. I get the open, I unlatch it, okay. That part seems to be working. Now I'll go to pin 2 and 3. And that's the coil. I see when I push this in. Interesting. That has something to do with the coil. I'm trying to figure out how this works together. Let's see. This goes in there like that. Looking at it upside down, this switch here is going to be right in this area here. And this piece, which pops up, is going to be down in here.